When Andrew Stanstrewick's back injury flared in February, he was unable to walk or go to the toilet. He waited hours for an ambulance and was taken to Ipswich Hospital.
They took me off the ambulance, took me through reception out back, and then took me into a corridor where there were probably 8 other people waiting on trolleys.
He says he was told there wasn't a bed for him and discharged without a way home at 2 o'clock the next morning.
I go to the PA next time I have a problem. I don't care if I've got to pay for an Uber.
He's not alone. 1/3 of Westmoreton residents are leaving the area for care, a figure that worries these mayors.
Ipswich and the Westmoreton area is the fastest growing area of Queensland. Our health needs were well behind before the pandemic. Now we're in dire need.
The hospital is experiencing extraordinary emergency demand. In March, nearly 7.4% more seriously ill patients presented to emergency than the year before. In the March quarter, just over half were seen within recommended times. And it's causing a logjam for those on the surgery wait list.
I know that there's people sitting out there on waiting lists now that have been pushed back and pushed back and pushed back. And some of those people have passed away before they've even got to have their operation.
The hospital has been getting through its wait list, but of the nearly 6,000 surgeries since February 2020, more than half were done in private hospitals. The 3 mayors worry how the service will cope in the future.
We do deserve proper healthcare.
The mayors say Ipswich Hospital simply isn't large enough to treat the Westmoreton population, let alone cope with the expected growth in the region. It's hoped a multi-million-dollar upgrade to the hospital is funded in Tuesday's budget. Queensland Health has spent nearly $150 million on Westmoreton infrastructure since 2019. But more is needed.
We're just asking for fairness, we're just asking for what the other people in Queensland have, and that is to have a local health services that's funded for them now and into the future.
Jemima Burt, ABC News, Ipswich.